So, two things. One is good, one is bad. The bad thing is I forgot to record while I was in the car because I was editing and since it's a 3-part video, I was editing, so that happened. And two, you need it. There's my little brother, Noah. Yeah. So I'll go into the water parks and show you guys where everything is, and if you want to see everything. I'm just going to run through there because I don't want to get water damage. But I'll also go into the arcade, which my little brother may take us down to right now. But I'll still be in there a little later. But hang on, I'll be back.